What if I told you that mastering cybersecurity in 2025 could be simpler than you think? In the next few seconds, you'll learn top tools and skills for beginners. Start with learning the basics of network security. It's the foundation for all things cybersecurity. Next, get familiar with ethical hacking. Platforms like TryHackMe offer interactive labs. Don't skip on mastering password management. Tools like LastPass are crucial. Dive into understanding firewalls and VPNs. They protect against unauthorized access. Learn about malware analysis. It helps identify and mitigate threats effectively. Finally, stay updated with cyber laws and regulations. Laws are continually evolving to tackle new threats. These skills provide a solid starting point. You'll be ready to guard against cyber threats. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more tips on mastering cybersecurity.